Okay, so the temperature is approximately 17 degrees and our steel is approximately 9.2 degrees. What we're going to be doing today is the 30-second test on our CC Contact Cleaner, which is the flammable one. And I'm spraying the steel. And I'm going to give it approximately 30 seconds before I try and actually light the liquid on the surface. Bearing in mind that if the temperature is 22 degrees, it's going to flash off a lot quicker. So a 30-second test will probably take around 15 seconds. And as you can see here, there's still material left on the surface and it will flash. So it's the 30 seconds. Now we're doing a 1 minute test, and again the temperature is 17 degrees ambient and the metal temperature is still around the 9.5 degrees, 9.2 degrees. And I'll spread the material quite evenly over the surface, which simulates a real life scenario when you're trying to degrease steel. We just have to wait for that 1 minute to elapse. Watching the timer. And counting down. And we still have a little bit of material left on the surface after a minute. The 1.5-minute test. Again, the 5-second spray. Again, the temperature hasn't changed at all. Surface, the temperature of the metal is still around the 9.5 degrees mark, and the ambient temperature is 17 degrees. Being a fairly cool day, it will take longer for the material to dry off the surface. As I said previously, if you work on 22 degrees, it's going to be dissolving a lot quicker than what it is at 17 degrees, or actually on the surface, which is 9 degrees. So bear that in mind. Waiting there patiently for the timer to count out. And as you can see, the material is dissolving off the steel. There's still going to be a little bit of residue there, I think. But it's a lot better than what the 30-second test was. And it's a lot better than what the 1 minute test was. And you can see there, it's almost disappeared. There's very little there. And as you can see, there's hardly any material left to flash. Now we're starting our 2-minute test. Again, the temperature of the steel is around 9.5 degrees C because we're in the shade, and the ambient temperature is 17 degrees C. The nice thing about the contact cleaner is it does leave very little residue and does do an excellent job of cleaning contacts. As you can see now by the video, it's dissolving and evaporating. I'd definitely say by the time we do this and get to our 2 minutes, the material will all have dissolved and there'll be no flash risk at all. Bearing in mind that with any flammable material, you should keep any source of sparks away from it while you're working. Getting there slowly. Looking at the surface, it's dissolving quite nicely. Counting down. Not a lot left now. Almost there. And as you can see there, I've got the lighter lit with no flash.